For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
China criticized the United States for pulling out of the World Health Organization. China says US's decision has undermined international anti-epidemic efforts. Beijing says Washington's move will have serious implications for developing countries. China contends that developing countries will bear the brunt if rich countries stop funding WHO. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Zhao Lijian said the international community should support the WHO. WHO on Tuesday said that the US will leave the organization on July 6, 2021. WHO made the announcement after receiving notification of the decision by President Donald Trump. Zhao Lijian accused the United States of indulging in unilateralism. He urged the US to fulfill its due obligations and international responsibilities. Zhao Lijian defended the World Health Organization and its efforts in fighting COVID-19 pandemic. A WHO team will visit China this weekend to trace the origin of COVID-19. WHO experts will travel to China this weekend to travel together with their Chinese counterparts to prepare scientific plans for identifying the zoonotic source of COVID-19. The experts will develop the scope and terms of reference for a WHO-led international mission. US President Donald Trump has been criticizing WHO over its handling of coronavirus pandemic. President Trump had suspended US contributions to the World Health Organization on April 14th. The president came down heavily on the global health body, accusing it of being China-centric. Trump accused WHO of promoting China's disinformation. Trump had said his administration would launch an investigation into WHO's response to COVID-19 pandemic. Trump accused the World Health Body of severely mismanaging and covering up the COVID-19 pandemic. He was extremely critical of WHO's initial response, including advisory on travel restrictions and contagiousness of coronavirus. US had been the biggest contributor to WHO, amounting to about $400 million per year. The health body's annual budget estimated at $4.8 billion. The World Health Organization and China dismissed Trump's allegations. China termed President Donald Trump's charges unfounded. Trump has been facing criticism for pulling out of World Health Organization. Critics say President Trump's decision would put global health further at risk. Opponents accuse Trump of trying to deflect blame to divert the attention from his own failures. Trump is under fire from the opposition over his lackadaisical approach in handling COVID-19 crisis.